Hey folks, welcome back to another video. Do you often end up staring at a spreadsheet full of customer notes, feedbacks, survey responses, and wondering how to actually extract what matters? Reading every line manually is painful, slow, and unscalable. Now, what if your spreadsheet could do the summarizing for you automatically and instantly? In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to use Sheetgo's AI processor to automatically summarize text and data all inside of Google Sheets. So let's get started. So the first use case that we're going to be looking at is the automatically summarizing customer feedback. So the product team basically gets a dozen of feedback tickets every day, and they basically need to quickly identify the core issue, that is summarize the core issue out of this feedback or suggestion for each ticket without getting bogged down in the long stories that often accompany them. So the goal is simple, is to create an automation that gives me a one-sentence summary of each of the feedbacks that the customer is given. So the first thing that we're going to be doing is heading over to Sheetgo. You can get started with the link in the description. And once we are here, the first thing you'd want to do is click on New and click on Blank Workflow. Now Sheetgo basically provides you a couple of different ways in which you can get started with your first workflow inside of Sheetgo. One would be to type your automation in natural language and let AI handle the creation of the entire workflow for you. The second one is to choose from pre-made options that are available. And the third one would be to basically go ahead and click on create a blank workflow. Once you're in here, the first step would be to click on add to workflow and click on automation. Now once you are in here, you can see the first step that is indicated to you is going to be selecting the source, that is where the data is going to be coming from. You have various sources available here such as Google Sheets, Excel, BigQuery, etc. For our particular use case, it's going to be Google Sheets. I'm going to click on Google Sheets and click on select file. And I'm going to select my customer feedback sheet, after which I'm going to click on done. And in a couple of seconds, my Google Sheet will be loaded in. Now you have a couple of different ways here also to basically ingest or intake your data. One would be to select the entire tab or select a particular tab that's available, or you select the data range that you'd like to specify. So you can specify a range like A1 to C50, and Sheetgo will only access that part of the sheet. For now, we're going to be clicking on entire tab. And if you don't have any other files, just click on next step. Now, once we are in here, now we're going to be using Sheetgo's AI data processor to basically summarize the customer feedback into key core points. So I'm going to click on process with AI, after which we're going to be pasting in the following prompt that goes, create a one-sentence summary of the text in the customer feedback column and place it in a new column called summary. You can always select from the popular pre-made prompts available here. But once you are done, basically click on next step. Here, you'd like to select the destination, that is where you want the summary to be entered in. So I'm going to click on Google Sheets. You can either create a new spreadsheet, give it a name, select and give a tab to it. Also, you can even change the destination folder, that is where the newly created spreadsheet will be stored. But once you are done there, you can either create a new file or select the existing one. Sheetgo automatically fetches my previously searched file. I'm going to scroll down to that particular file, select it and click on done. And once we are done with the automation, we can click on review automation, where now I can see the data is transferred from Google Sheets, it's processed with AI, and it's finally entered back into the original spreadsheet. Once we are done, we can simply click on finish and run. And here you can see there is a new tab added here that contains the summary. And if I just open this up, you can see that Sheetgo successfully embeds the summary for each customer feedback right next to it automatically in a couple of seconds. Basically, after creating the workflow, you can basically set a trigger that automatically runs this particular automation. So for example, I can tell Sheetgo to run this automation every day or every hour or once a week, depending on how often the new feedback comes in. So for now, I'm going to click on triggers, where I'm going to click on run automatically. And now you can see you have a couple of options here that says based on a schedule, based on form submission, or on workflow run. Now, in case your workflow is connected to a form, that is Sheetgo form, if it's connected to that, you can always select this one. But for now, we're going to be clicking on based on a schedule. Now, say you receive your feedback once a day, that is between maybe 5 p.m. and 6 p.m. And basically you want to do the processing between 7 to 8 p.m. You can set that in. You can select the days at which you'd like your automation to run automatically. So I'm going to click on Tuesday, or I'm going to just select and keep it for Thursdays and Fridays when the week's typically ending. And once you're done, you can click on save changes, but you can see the consumption. So this tells me this workflow schedule will be used automatically 16 transfers per month. So based on the schedule that is given. So once we are done, we can click on save changes, and now the workflow trigger has been saved automatically. So now my code is going to be running every day on Thursday and Friday between 7 to 8 p.m. in the Indian Standard Time, and it's basically going to be summarizing all of this. So instead of reading these long paragraphs and even going to the Sheetgo interface, clicking on run, we can now set triggers and automatically get the workflow execution completed and get your summaries quick, fast, without manual human intervention. So the second use case that we're going to be looking at is summarizing raw meeting notes. So after a week of long back-to-back meetings, the HR is left with a spreadsheet full of meeting notes. Now each row has a dense paragraph summarizing the discussion. Now buried under all of these each paragraphs is crucial decisions and assigned tasks. So the goal would be to create an automation that automatically reads through all of these meeting notes and creates a concise summary, or alternatively just extracts the concrete action items that I would require. So we're going to be following the same steps that we did as previously. We're going to go back to the Sheetgo interface. I'm going to go to home. I'm going to click on new and click on blank workflow. Now once we are in here, I'm going to go down here and click on create a workflow. So now I'm going to be clicking on add to workflow, followed by clicking on automation. Now once you're in here, we're going to be selecting Google Sheets as the data source. I'm going to click on select file, and I'll search for my spreadsheet. That is going to be raw meeting notes. And I can find that here. I'm going to select that particular file and click on done. And in a couple of seconds, Sheetgo will load in the sheet. And once I'm done, I'm going to click on next step. Now once we are in here, we need to select the data processor, which in this case is going to be the AI processor. So we're going to be clicking on process with AI, followed by pasting in the following prompt that says create a one sentence summary of the discussion in the raw meeting notes column and place it under a new column called key takeaways. Once you are done, you can click on next step. Once again, it's going to be the same process of selecting your Google spreadsheet, selecting existing file. Sheetgo automatically fetches the previously searched file. You select that, click on done, and click on review automation. Now you can, before you even run it, you can also click on enable automatic updates, where you can set the workflow trigger settings before you actually run your workflow for the first time. So you can always click on based on a schedule. Now maybe I want it once a day, right? And I want it at 10 p.m. to 11 p.m. and it's only going to be on Saturdays because that's when the week ends, when all the meetings are done. So all the notes are collected and I can get them summarized on the Saturday. So I'm going to select that, and I've selected Saturday as my day, and I'm going to click on save here. And now this says it runs on Saturdays at 10 p.m. And once we are done, I can click on finish and run. And in a couple of seconds, my automation will successfully go to this particular spreadsheet, take all the raw meeting notes and extract key takeaways from it. And here you can see on successful execution, if I go back to my spreadsheet now, I can see that a new tab has been added here. And if I go here and click, and I'll just increase the size of this particular column, where I can see now for each of the meeting notes, the dense paragraphs, I have now a simple single line or a couple of lines of key takeaways that I can take back. And here you can see the exact same automation pattern will work for all your meeting notes. At the end of the week on Saturday at 10 p.m., the automation now summarizes the meeting notes into key takeaways. And you can now always have up-to-date summaries without actually doing anything manually. Now the third use case that we're going to be working on is the marketing survey response summary automation, where basically the HR and marketing team just ran a company-wide survey, and now we're looking at a Google Sheet with hundreds of open-ended responses. And now you have hundreds of detailed answers, and spotting trends requires reading every single one. So we're going to be creating an automation here that basically allows us to distill each long survey response into a short keyword focused phrase, making it easy to identify trends at a glance. So I'm going to go back to the Sheetgo interface. I'm going to click on New, click on Blank Workflow, followed by clicking on Create a Workflow, after which I'm going to be clicking on Add to Workflow and Automation, inside of which I'm going to be first selecting my Google Sheet source, which in this case is going to be my marketing survey responses spreadsheet. So I'm going to select that and click on Done. After which I'm going to be clicking on Next Step, where now we need to select the Process with AI function, followed by entering the prompt that goes, summarize the main idea of the text in the survey responses column into a short 3 to 5 word phrase and place it in a new column called Core Idea. Now once we're done here, we can click on Next Step, after which I need to select Google Sheets as my destination file, after which I'll select Existing File, and we're going to be selecting our file where Sheetgo automatically fetches the previously searched sheet. I'm going to select that and click on Done. Now I'm going to review the automation, where once again you have the option to enable automatic updates, where you can set your triggers and click on Save, and it will automatically run on the scheduled time and day that you've selected. So for now, I'm going to be clicking on Finish and Run. And in a couple of seconds, all these market survey responses will be perfectly summarized, and I'll have a 3 to 5 word key takeaway from all the responses. And here you can see the workflow execution has finished successfully. So I'm going to head back to my spreadsheet, where I can see now there is another sheet added here that says Sheetgo_sheet1. I'm going to open this up, and I can see the core idea for each of these survey responses has successfully been embedded into my sheet. There you have it, 3 different use cases to basically show you how you can summarize your data in Google Sheets using Sheetgo's AI processor. Now, if you're drowning in long feedback, meeting notes, or survey responses, Sheetgo's automatic AI processor can help you summarize your text quickly in seconds. You can set it up once, set your triggers, configure the automation, and let it run, and you can view the summaries whenever you need on a schedule. I've added the link to the full blog in the description. You can get started with Sheetgo with the link in the description. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and for more content, hit the subscribe button. I'll see you in the next one.